Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have finally reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm so excited and I cannot thank you guys enough. So thank you times 1,000. I am just thrilled. And so last night for quite a while it said that I had 999 subscribers and my husband said, "Oh, you're gonna get like number 1,000 tonight." I'm like, I'll see. And I think it was like around between 10 and 11 p.m. last night. I actually got a pop-up message on my phone from YouTube saying that I reached 1,000. So yay! And that's why I worked really hard to finish my giveaway journal today, or actually this evening. It's almost 8:30 on a Friday night, and yeah, so I'm excited to share this with you guys and to tell you about the giveaway. Okay, first I'm gonna show you the journal, and then I'm gonna tell you more like how you can participate in the giveaway. It's pretty easy. Okay, so you remember this. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, you're gonna see the green cutting mat. I just didn't want it to like reflect where all the glue is. Okay, anyway, so you remember me making this journal if you have watched my previous videos. That's the front, that's the back. I've sewn in the signature. It's one signature. I've embellished it. I've made some like tags and things off camera. It would have just taken super long if I had to finish on camera, because I talk a lot and I craft slowly or slow, so I figured it goes quicker and I can like upload this video like a couple days or one day after I reached my 1,000 subscribers. Okay, anyway, long ribbon to close it. Probably don't need this much, but I just love the big bow that you can tie, and if you want to fill it up you can still tie it because you have enough of the ribbon. Okay, it's like recycled sari silk. All right, so when you open, we have the lace pocket in here. We have an old postcard from, oh yeah, I don't remember. I do not know the year, but it's old. And then some old papers from the 1940s. And if you have seen the other previous videos of when I made this, you probably already are familiar with all these goodies, but this is for the people. I'm just going to detail for the people that haven't watched all my videos. I have some coffee dyed paper with some digital paper printed on it and some lace ribbon. It's a really cute little ribbon. Some old stuff from the 50s. It's just like old papers. This one is a very old, well, actually 1929, so it's not too, well, it's old, but not from the 1800s, but I love the handwriting on this. It's just beautiful. And then we have some old typewriter or typewritten paper. I just embellish it with different textures. An old catalog, a super old like magazine page from 1882, I think. Old calendar page or book page from the 50s. Then we have some more coffee dyed paper with digital paper printed on it. And then we have this old vintage airmail envelope that you can take off. I have a little index clip here. You can take this off and fill it. You can actually use it, or like to send something if you want to, or you could just use it for something else. An old catalog page with shoes from my Sears Roebuck catalog. Then we have a digital paper on both sides. Then here's an old Life magazine, Life magazine page. It's also from the 50s. I have a ton of 50s stuff. Old ledger paper that's empty. Beautiful birdies on coffee dyed paper with lovely lace. It's, I think, one of my favorites. And then we have an old paper from a old book from the 1800s. It contains a ton of German newspaper articles, or like it's like a newsletter magazine, and it's like the whole collection of them. I love that. Label, and then there's like this old reading test page. And then we have here the first, well, not the first pocket, I don't know, a double pocket. So we have this library catalog card that goes in the back. And then I made this little luggage tag, which is pretty much just a tag you can write on. And yeah, front and back, little crochet flower. Some super old music paper, some very old Chinese form, just some regular writing paper, and then this is the pocket that we made in my last video. And then I just put these I think both from the 50s, maybe 70s, this little postcard thing they can write on. And then here, this is the waxed bag. And so I printed something on linen paper on the front, and I have writing paper on the back. And then I made this big journaling card. I actually love this. I had like a big piece of collage board left, so I just added the mushroom, some labels, some different textures, and an eyelet. And I thought this was really neat. And then you can write journal on the back. And I made it really big, so it actually fills out this whole paper bag. And then you can just pull this out on this. So yeah, that was one of the last things I just finished. And then we keep going. Lovely coffee dyed paper. And then here we have a pocket that I also made on camera. And then we have these 4 old checks that are from like the 40s. You can use them to craft or do stuff. And then we have these little baby tags, like my daughter would always say. Everything that's small or little, she calls baby, whatever. There's a crane in the construction area on the interstate. 2 cranes, a big one, a little one, and she always says, I want to see the baby crane. So yeah, she gets to see the baby crane. She's 2.5, so she's my baby. Little clock charm in the middle. And then I just thought this was an eyelet. Oh, interesting. It's German. I didn't realize that. And some more paper you can write on. This is the other side of the Time magazine. Here's the other side of the bag, the wax bag. You could open it up here and stuff a card in there, but I just liked it as a writing page, so I just embellished this with some lace. And it's like nice and crinkly, that's why I did it. And then we have some more lacy paper. We have the pheasant. There's the other side of the Chinese form and the music. It says paddle your own canoe. I thought that was funny. Hey, paddle your own canoe. Okay, mind your own business. And then here we have an old looking, a tag that had made quite a while ago with mushrooms. I love mushrooms, in case you haven't noticed. Hey, more mushrooms. And another baby tag. And did I miss something? Wait, I missed something. Nope, we haven't gotten there yet, I think. Oh no, yes. On this one is a side pocket. That's what I missed. Side pocket with a little envelope, and there's just some writing paper, coffee dyed writing paper in there. So you can just go zip and hide it in here. Okay, now we can move on. I did this. Some like stamp stickers. I love this. And then just like writing paper. I love printing on linen paper because it just gives you a different feel. And then there's my cute little pocket that I love. I don't think I showed this. I don't remember. But that's the library card pocket. And I just put a kid's book page on here that she totally looks like my daughter. And because she had like this bow in her hair that matches this color, so I just embellished it a little more. And I have this lovely bird tag, and you just stick that in here, and then a little flower. And then here's more of this old paper, 1878. I think this one said like 1880. I don't remember. I I saw it somewhere. Catalog. And here's the other side from the ledger. This from 1929, and they were super long pages. That's why I folded it, and then you can still write on this page. This is Canadian. And then some more, oh, I love this, coffee dyed paper. And then here's the old bingo card. You can either craft with it or you can write on it. Or put a whole bunch of other stuff in here. Yep. So this is my journal. And the cover is about 6 by 9 inches. So, and I love when you have a soft cover, how it just folds around, or it wraps around the signature. Yeah, and that's the back. And then we have these corners, and that's what it looks like. All right, I'm sure you guys want to know now, how can I get this? Okay, first of all, it's totally free to participate, and everybody can participate internationally. Please only participate if you're serious about this and not just ooh, I want to take this away from everybody who would value this. If you do not care about this stuff at all, then I don't know why you would participate, but good luck. Anyway, so this video is going to go up Saturday, March 5th, 2022. So this is the first day you can enter. And I will leave it open for 12 days until the evening of March 17, 2022, which is a Thursday. It's St. Patrick's Day. And I will then announce the winner the following Saturday on March 19th. And I think I'm just going to do one of those spinny wheel draws on a website. So I will collect everybody that participates, and then I can film. Everybody gets one chance, and then the winner will I will announce the winner, and they will have to contact me, but I will tell you how you can contact me in the announcement video. Okay, what do you have to do? Please be a subscriber. I cannot check it for everybody because some people have their YouTube channels set up so nobody can see whether you're subscribed to their channel or not. So if you have it set up like that, please still be a subscriber. I mean, there's no way for me to actually double check it. So I would appreciate honesty. And I only have one question that I would like answered in the comments. So everybody who comments and answers the question will participate, or put in the raffle, whatever you call it. So my question is, what type of videos, like crafty videos, or do you like the best? For example, it doesn't have to be on my channel. I just want to know what kind of videos you like. For me, for example, I love watching craft with me videos, or tutorials, or just chat, craft therapy, or just craft and chat. So I'm just curious what you guys like, and I would also like that to use that as as ideas or inspiration for what my upcoming videos could be, because obviously I want to make videos that you guys enjoy. So yeah, March 5th to March 17th. And then on March 19th, I will announce, and just leave a comment below and let me know what kind of crafty videos you like best. I'm just curious, and I would like to get to know you guys and know what you like. So good luck to everybody. Again, this is international. I will ship it anywhere in the world. And as soon as I have drawn the winner and announced it, and we connected somehow, so I can get your postal address, I will ship this thing to you. Well, thank you again so much, guys, for all the time you spent watching my videos, for all the likes, for all the subscriptions, and especially for all the comments, especially the past couple of days. You have been amazing. And I've had a rough day the past 2 days were a little rough. 2 days ago were rough, but yesterday was work was crazy. So just seeing all these comments and reading all these comments totally made my day. So I appreciate it, and I'm gonna reply to everybody. I just haven't had a chance yet because, again, work has been crazy this week, but it's the weekend now, so I will reply, and I appreciate every single one of you. So I hope you are all well, and I will talk to you in my next video.